What's up, guys, on the Rob Ventures? My name's Rob Style. We're doing an unboxing today. Doing a Marvel Mystery Comic Books. 15 comic books for 15 bucks. Alright, let's pop this open, see what we got. Alright, guys, first one. Ooh, this is all Marvel, I forgot. So Avengers Children Crusade, 7 out of 9. I don't even know what number that is. Black Panther, the most dangerous man alive, 525. These are all in nice, good condition. Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man. Let's see this cover. Spider-Man Unmasked. Number 15. Ghost Rider. Number 5. This is weird because the back is Defenders number 1. Oh, New Fantastic Four. Number 20. Spider-Man House of M, 205. Oh, it's nice. Pretty nice cover. Giant size Wolverine, number 1. Death of Spider-Man, 160. Conspiracy number 1. I've never heard of that. Avengers vs. Uncanny X-Men number 18. X-Factor number 42. Avengers West Coast number 55. Captain America number 405. Catwolf. Yeah. Avengers number 2 of 4. Limited series. The Terminatrix Objective. Finally, we got one bag one in here. It's pretty thick. Avengers variant cover. 15 bucks. Avengers No Surrender. $6.95. It's pretty nice. So that box also came with a bonus book, and we haven't looked at it. Let's see what it is. Ooh, that's nice. $15 comic. Superman Unchanged number 1. That's pretty good. So altogether, get about 16 comics. All right, like and subscribe. Love Ventures.